Are you using an old computer or laptop that can't officially install Windows 11? You're not alone. Millions of perfectly working PCs are blocked from upgrading just because they don't meet Microsoft's strict requirements like TPM 2.0, secure boot, or supported CPUs. And if you try installing Windows 11 on those systems, the setup will simply stop with an unsupported hardware error. So right here we have an older unsupported PC. Currently it's running Windows 10, so let me quickly show you the specs of this system. I'll just open Task Manager and go to the Performance tab. As you can see, the CPU here is an Intel Core i7 4th Gen processor. It's definitely an older CPU with 4 cores and 8 threads, but it's still capable enough for basic everyday tasks and even some budget gaming. Now, according to Microsoft's official requirements, a system like this isn't supposed to run Windows 11 at all. That's mainly because this PC doesn't support things like TPM 2.0 or secure boot, and the processor itself is also not on Microsoft's supported CPU list. Other than that, everything else like the RAM, storage, and CPU cores actually meets the requirements. So the hardware itself is still pretty capable. But what if you could install Windows 11 on unsupported hardware without dealing with complicated commands, registry tweaks, or risky workarounds? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a much easier way to upgrade an unsupported PC to Windows 11 using a tool called 4D Dig Partition Manager. It's an all-in-one disk management tool that can help with things like migrating your Windows OS to a new SSD, creating or managing partitions, and several other useful disk management features. And with this tool, you can bypass the Windows 11 requirements with just one click without any complicated process. You don't need a bootable USB drive or anything like that. Also, if you have any queries, you can follow up their official guide for this tool as well. In this video, we are mainly focusing on upgrading to Windows 11. By following this guide, you can bypass the Windows 11 requirements on almost any PC as long as it uses a 64-bit processor. I'll guide you through each step, and it's very easy to use. Now let's quickly jump into the main part. Click on Free Download. This tool works on Windows 7 or above. Install the app. The setup process is the same as usual as installing any normal program. Alright, and there we go. We are now on the main interface. This tool comes with multiple features. You can clone OS disks and partitions, create backups, convert disks, manage partitions, and recover partitions. And here we have the Windows Upgrade feature. You can directly upgrade to Windows 11 from here without any restrictions. You can also perform a clean installation or download the Windows disk image for custom installations. Now, I want to upgrade this PC to Windows 11, so simply click on it. Now, to bypass the Windows 11 restrictions, we first need to convert this disk to GPT. So, click on Convert. Don't worry, your data will remain safe. Now confirm the operation since Windows 11 requires the system disk to be in GPT format. Alright, now it asks to restart the PC to complete the operation. Click OK. And the PC will restart. Alright, the process has started. As you can see, the disk conversion process begins. This will rebuild the EFI partition, which is necessary for booting the system. After this, we need to enter the BIOS and switch the boot mode to UEFI. Your BIOS menu may vary depending on the device manufacturer. So now let's enter the BIOS menu. Go to the boot section. Here I'll change the boot option priority to Windows Boot Manager. Then I'll override the boot to the main Windows boot. Alright, it has booted back into Windows. Now let's check the disk partition once again. Go to Disk Properties, to Volumes, and as you can see, the partition style is now on GPT. Now let's move on to the next step. Click on Windows 11 Upgrade again. Here choose your system language, and select the Windows 11 version. Right now, build 25H2 is the latest. Click on Start and Confirm. It will now begin the process by downloading the corresponding Windows image file needed for the upgrade. This may take a couple of minutes, and you will need a stable and fast internet connection. At one point, it may appear stuck at around 71%. Don't worry. During this stage, the Windows disk image extraction process is running in the background. And, alright, the operation is completed. Now the setup loads here. Click Next. Accept the terms. And continue. Here we get a warning again saying that this PC doesn't meet the official Windows 11 requirements. This simply means the hardware is unsupported, but you can ignore it and proceed with the installation. Alright, now it's ready to install. It will keep all your files and apps safe. Now click Install. Alright, Windows 11 installation has started. Since this PC is currently running Windows 10 Pro, it will directly upgrade to Windows 11 Pro. And there we go. Windows 11 is successfully installed. As you can see, all the files and apps remain exactly the same, and everything runs perfectly fine. Now once again, I'll open Task Manager. And there you go. We are now running Windows 11 on unsupported hardware. You can see the usage stats and memory usage, and everything looks normal. Even if you're using a very old PC that supports a 64-bit processor, you can still install and use Windows 11 using this method. Keep in mind that Windows 11 only works on 64-bit processors. As mentioned, this system is now upgraded to Windows 11 Pro 25H2, continuing from the previous Windows 10 Pro version. With this tool, you can also try other options like Quick Install Windows, which performs a clean installation on a new drive without needing bootable media. You just choose the Windows version, select the drive where you want to install it, such as a USB drive or external hard drive. Choose GPT, select the language and edition, and install it. There is also Windows Download, where you can get the Windows disk image and create bootable USB drives directly from the tool. Just choose the version and language, and create the bootable media to install Windows on other PCs. You can also explore other features in the toolkit, such as removing BitLocker, repairing partitions, fixing boot issues, erasing data, recovering lost data, and creating WinPE. This allows you to create a bootable version of Windows that lets you install, repair, or manage the operating system, even when the main Windows installation is not running. And of course, there are several other useful features available in the toolkit as well. If you're interested in trying this tool yourself, you can check out the link in the description below. Right now, they also have some discounted pricing available. For example, the 1-month license starts almost $19, the 1-year license is $40.95, and there's also a lifetime license for $59.9 for one PC. So, if you often deal with Windows installations, disk cloning, partition management, or system migration, this tool can actually be pretty useful. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.